Hello class, so continuation tayo ng module 5 ninyo, which is yung applications of linear equation. So this will be yung part 2 ng module 5. So next is we will be solving a money related problems naman. So example, so Dennis has 50, 100 and 200 paper bills amounting to 20,300. Delio borrowed 14 pieces of 50 bills so that the total amounts of 50 peso bill and 100 bills are equal. Donalyn also borrowed 11 pieces of 200 bills so that the total amounts of the remaining 200 and 100 are equal. So how many paper bills were left? So si Dennis, meron siyang 50, 100 and 200 paper bills amounting 20,300. So yun, hindi natin alam kung ilang pieces na 50, 100 and 200. So magle-let x ulit tayo dito. So let x be the numbers of 50 bills. So numbers of 50 peso bill, and y be the numbers of 100 peso bill, and z be the numbers of 200 peso bill. So yung amount total amount daw nun is 20,300. So paano natin ilalagay sa equation or sa expression? So yung 50 peso bill, so 50 pesos times kung ilang pieces siya, so that will be x, plus 100 peso bill times kung ilang pieces, that will be y, plus 200 peso bill times kung ilang pieces, that will be z. So yung total daw nito, lahat yan is 20,300. So meron na tayong equation 1. So this will be our equation 1. Then sabi niya, Delio borrowed 14 pieces of 50 bills so that the total amounts of 50 and 100 bills are equal. So may nanghiram. So nanghiram si Delio kay Dennis ng 14 pieces ng 50 bills. So ilan yung number, so ano yung numbers of 50 bills natin? So that will be x. So nabawasan kasi nabawasan na yung na kay Dennis. So nabawasan ng 14 pieces. So magma-minus tayo dun. So x minus 14. So that the total amounts of 50 and 100 bills are equal. So equal na daw siya dun sa number ng 100 peso bill. So ito number ng 50 peso bill. So i-multiply pa natin yan ng 50. So equal na daw sila dun sa 100 peso bill. So that will be 100 times y. So meron na tayong equation 2. So simplify natin tong equation 2 natin. So kunin natin yung value ng y in terms of x. So para matira na lang yung y doon, i-divide natin ng 100 both sides. So simplify muna natin. So that will be 50 times x minus 50 times 14, that is 700, is equal to 100 y. So divide natin ng 100 para matira na lang yung y. So divide both sides by 100. So y will be, so 50 divided by 100. So i-decimal na lang natin to. So that will be 0.5 x minus 700 over 100, that will be 7. So this will be our equation 2. And then sabi niya doon, Donalyn also borrowed 11 pieces of 200 peso bill so that the total amounts of the remaining 200 and 100 are equal. So may humiram ulit kay Dennis. So doon naman sa 200 peso bill. So ilan yung sa 200 peso bill niya? That's z. So nabawasan ng 11 pieces yung number of 200 peso bill niya. So magma-minus tayo ng 11. So that will be z minus 11. So that the total amounts of the remaining 200, so total amount, so i-times natin ng 200 yan. The remaining 200 and 100 are equal. So equal na daw sila. So that will be 100y. So simplify natin. 200z. 200 times 11. So that will be 2,200 is equal to 100y. So kunin ulit natin yung value ng y in terms of z. So divide both sides by 100. So y will be 200 over 100, that will be 2z minus 2,200 over 100, that will be 22. So ito na yung equation 3 natin. So meron na tayong tatlong equation. Equation 1, 2, and 3. 3 equations, 3 unknown. So masosolve na natin siya simultaneously. So pwede nating i-substitute yung value ng y sa equation 3 dun sa equation 2. So magiging, so yung value ng y, so this will be 0.5x minus 7. So ano yung value is equal to y? So yung value ng y sa equation 3 is equal to 2z minus 22. Ayan. So kunin natin yung value ng x in terms of z, no? Mag in terms of z tayo para pwede nating i-substitute dito sa equation 1 natin, no? So kunin natin yung value ng x dito, so that will be 0.5x minus 7. So ilipat natin sa kabila, so equal, so to 2z. So minus 7 ilipat sa kabila, magiging positive yan, so minus 22. So negative 22 plus 7, so that will be minus 15. Yan. So 0.5x equal to 2z minus 15. So kunin natin yung value ng x, so para matira na lang yung x doon, divide natin both sides ng 0.5. Yan. So x na lang matitira. So x is equal to, so 2z. So 2 over 0.5, that will be 4z minus, so 15 divided by 0.5, that will be 30. So meron na tayong value ng x in terms of z. So meron din tayong value ng y in terms of z. Pwede na nating substitute dun sa pinaka first equation natin. So substitute na natin. So magiging so 50 times yung value ng x, that is 4z. 4z minus 30 plus 100 times yung value ng y, that will be 2z minus 22 plus 200z is equal to 20,300. So simplifying, kunin nyo na yung z. So meron na tayong isang variable, makukuha na natin yung value ng z. So you can compute it using your calculator na lang. So z will be is equal to 40. Ayan. So pwede na nating makuha yung value ng x. So x is equal to, so 4 times 40 minus 30. So x will be 130 and y will be 2 times 40 minus 22. So yung value ng y natin, so y will be 58. Ayan. So sabi niya, how many paper bills were left? So para makuha natin yung total paper bills, so pag-aadin lang lahat natin ito. So yung number ng paper bills is equal to x plus y plus z. Sabi na doon, how many paper bills were left? So kung ilan yung natira, so yung minus natin yung 11, tsaka 14. Yan. So, yung number of paper bills na natira, so let n be the number of paper bills that na natira. So, n will be equal to, so x is 130 plus y 58 plus z 40 minus 11 and minus 14. So, number of bills that were left is equal to 203 bills. Ayan. So, this will be our answer. So, next problem naman tayo. So, a couple does not wish to spend more than 700 for dinner at a restaurant. If a sales tax of 6% is added to the bill and they plan to tip 15% after the tax has been added, what is the most they can spend for the meal? So, merong couple nang gusto nilang i-spend is dapat hindi lalampas ng 700 for dinner at a restaurant. So, meron siyang sales tax of 6%, tsaka they plan to tip 15% after the tax. So, ano yung magiging value ng meal kung wala yung 6% na tax, sales tax, tsaka yung 15% na tip? So, magli-let x ulit tayo. So, let x be the ito yung magiging maximum amount ng meal na pwede nilang bilhin. So, excluding yung 6%, excluding yung sales tax, and tip. So, yung x natin, yun yung hinahanap natin, yung maximum amount ng mabibili nilang meal excluding yung sales tax at saka yung tip. So, kapag na-i-add yung 6% na tax, so yung magiging expression natin dyan is, so x plus, so 6%, so naka-percentage siya. So, para i-convert natin yan, so magiging divide natin ng 100. So, i-convert natin sa decimal. So, 6% over 100, so that will be 0.06 times x. So, may dadagdag. Sales tax is of 6% is added. So, yung amount ng meal plus yung 6% na tax niya, so that will be is equal to 1.06x. So, ito na yung value ng meal na merong tax of 6%. So, plano din nilang mag-tip ng 15% after the tax has been added. So, 1.06. So, 1.06x. So, magdadagdag ulit tayo ng 15% after the tax has been added. So, after the tax that has been added, ito na yun, 1.06x. Plus, dagdag ulit ng 15% dito sa 1.06x. So, 15 over 100. So, that will be 0.15. So, 0.15 times yung 1.06x natin. Ayan. So, ito na yung magiging amount natin, maximum amount natin na i-spend nila doon sa dinner. So, is equal to 700. Kasi dapat hindi lalampas ng 700 yung gagastusin nila. So, makikita na natin, malalaman na natin kung ano yung may i-spend nila, maximum na may i-spend or magagastos nila doon sa meal. So, ayan. So, kukunin na natin yung value ng x. So, 1.06x plus 0.15 times 1.06x. So, solving for value of x. So, magiging x is equal to, so, isolve nyo na lang sa inyong calculator. So, shift solve for x or pwede rin kayong, pwede nyo ring imano-mano. So, x will be 574.24. So, ito na yung magiging value ng x natin. So next problem. So Chris has 56 coins consisting of 10 peso and 5 peso coins. If she has a total of 440, so how many coins of each type does she have? So let x ulit tayo. So let x be the number of 10 peso coin. So 10 peso. And y be the number of 5 peso. So Kyr has 56 coins consisting of 10 peso and 5 peso coins. So x plus y, so yung total daw nun, x plus y consists of 56 coins. So 56. If she has a total of 440, so how many coins of each type does she have? So yung total daw nun is 440. So 10 peso coin times kung ilang pieces siya, so that will be x, plus yung 5 peso coin, so 5 pesos, times kung ilang pieces siya, so that will be y. So yung total daw nun is 440. So how many coins of each type does she have? So meron na tayong equation 1 and equation 2. So we have two equations and two unknown. So pwede natin kunin yung value ng x in terms of y, or value ng y in terms of x. So kahit saan dyan. So yung sa x tayo. So x, magiging x is equal to 56 minus y. So substitute natin to dito sa ating second equation. So that will be 10 times, so value ng x, that will be 56 minus y plus 5y is equal to 440. So simplify natin. So 10 times 56, that will be 560 minus, so 10y plus 5y is equal to 440. So solving for y, so that will be 560. So minus negative 10y plus 5y, that will be minus 5y is equal to 440. So ilipat natin yung 560 dun sa kabila para matira yung negative 5y dito. So negative 5y is equal to, so 440 minus 560. So negative 5y is equal to, so 440 minus 560, that will be negative 120. So negative 5y, divide natin both sides ng negative 5. Yan. Para makuha natin yung value ng y. So y will be negative 120 over negative 5, that will be 24. Yan. So yung isa naman, para makuha natin yung value ng x. So x plus, or x is equal to 56 minus y. So 56 minus 24. So x will be 32. So ito na yung each type ng coin na meron siya. So x, 10 peso coin, that is 32 pieces, and y, which is yung 5 peso coin, that is 24 pieces. So ito na yung magiging mga sagot natin.